Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to turn off sensitive content in search results on X. If your feed or search results are showing things you'd rather not see, this quick guide will help you keep your experience clean, comfortable, and focused on what you actually want to explore. First, open the X app on your device. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This is where your account menu will appear, giving you access to all your settings and preferences. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. This section lets you adjust how X works for you, from your account details to your privacy options. Once you're inside, scroll down or look for the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Tap on it to continue. Inside Privacy and Safety, you'll see several options controlling what kind of content you see and who can interact with you. Tap on Content You See to move into the specific area we need. Then, tap Search Settings. This is where X lets you decide what should appear when you search. Now, look for the option called Hide Sensitive Content. To turn off sensitive results, make sure this option is switched on. When it's active, X will automatically filter out sensitive material from your search results, so posts marked as potentially sensitive won't appear unless you choose to change this later. That's all it takes. Once you flip that setting, your search results will stay clear of anything you don't want to encounter. It's quick, simple, and gives you full control over your browsing comfort on the platform. If you ever change your mind, you can go back to the same place, Search Settings, under Content You See, and switch it off again just as easily. Staying in control of your experience keeps X more pleasant and personal to you. Thanks for tuning in.